All right, let me introduce you our new Wudang Academy player. First of all, we have a player window here with everything you would expect. We have a shuffle option here and a repeat option here. And we have a loop section also. So this means when you want to play a certain section, you can basically here press A and then select the section you want and press B, and then it will basically loop only this specific section when you press play now. And of course we can clear it with our selection here, and this is our player window. Then we have the track window, which will indicate when all clips are caged properly, so you can actually hear it offline. And we also have an equalizer here, which has 3 different ways of visualization, as you see here. And of course, we have our presets. We can select different presets, how you would like to hear it. You can also adjust the sound to your headphones or your speaker setting or whatever you like. We have a preamp. So this makes sense actually, like when we have a V shape, we might clip here, and then we can reduce the preamp a little bit to hear the full spectrum. So you are welcome to play around with these settings. We also have an X fade, which will fade through the upcoming clips, and then we have the speed section. We can reduce and increase the speed of the clip. Now here we have the practice tools. We have an count in. So in case you are practicing a Tai Chi form, you can have like 5 seconds and then the sound will start. You can also adjust how fast it will count. So this might be useful if you want a higher count tempo. You can set this up here. We have a track repeater, which means it will repeat the same track over and over again until it's finished how often you set it here. If you only like to play one track, you can basically press here and will only play this track you have selected right now. Then we have a tempo ramp. So in case you do a Kung Fu form, you usually start slow and want the speed increase with time, right? You can set the time here, how fast it should reach your 2 value. So like we can start really slow and then like in 60 seconds I want to be up there, right? And then you start the ramp and it will count down, and then you start the clip and it will basically adjust the speed to the clip. Okay. All right, and here we have the meditation timer, which signals when it starts and signals you when the timer ends. So this makes sense. If you have a 𝐯𝐤𝐼𝐴 session or so, you can basically set it up here. See, or then it will basically start playing and end the clip when the timer is off. The similar feature is the sleep timer, which has no indication and basically turns off the music after a certain set amount of time if you like to go to sleep with this setting. So yes, so I showed you almost all features. We have keyboard shortcuts set up for this player too, and you can set up the appearance how you would like it, or you can set it on auto. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this, and I hope it cleared up the Wudang Academy player.